This is NOSH Sugar-Free Gluten-Free, our processed sugar-free and gluten-free cookbook. There's a little picture of us and a letter from Mum. Then our 2 pennies worth on sugar and why we're trying to avoid it and what we can replace it with. Then we've got our mug, our famous mug, so no weighing scales in this book, just a mug and maybe a couple of spoons. We've got some homemade things, obviously everything's homemade in this book, but you know what I mean. So we've got some nut butters, some chocolate spread recipes, some stock, a couple of curry paste recipes and some sauces, pickled cucumbers and a mayonnaise. These flatbreads are great, they're really quick to make, no rising or anything like that. A couple of bread recipes. And then into snacks. So we start off with a few breakfast cereals. Obviously, breakfast is a huge source of sugar that we can consume, so any help is always welcome. Then we go into some kind of light broths and soups and things. Then we're into salads. We've got some nice, interesting salads in here. We've got some chicken and fried peaches. We've got some lunchbox ideas. Again, that can be a big source of processed sugar and gluten if we're not careful. And then slow cook recipes. We've got that lovely ham there and a slow cooked beef curry. That Indonesian chicken is great. It's like change up from your regular roast chicken. Then into desserts. Again, lots of sugar can be found in these. So we've done a lot of replacements with things like honey and maple syrups, like good honey and good maple syrup, which means that all these are guilt-free. And there's a picture of us in our kitchen, Jasmine the cat, and our book, NOSH Sugar-Free Gluten-Free. Enjoy!